Fire alarm test 40. I'm gonna got this in the update as well. Got this call point there. Still, I've got a freaky one. I've got the Alibaba there. You know, I've got that one there still. KC Sounder, Roshni, Cycle, Roshni there, and what was it? New Style KC call point there. You know, I'll take it nice and easy now. I'll put the key. Start off with this one because you know it's quite high up, this call point. It is quite high up. There, yeah. I will take it nicely now. The call point. This has got a KC hinged flap. Where's the key for this call point? It's the Fike. The Fike Twin Flex call point key, and put it in there. I am going to push it. Yeah, as well. The Fike call point Twin Flex, freaky, isn't it? Yeah, this is that. Or I can actually do, look, like that to reset it, or no, I'll just better use the key. I will use it. Yep, I think it's better if we use the key, isn't it? Yay! I will take it nicely. And then this is plastic element in this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.